Hi, I'm Dr. Rick Goodman, leadership expert, keynote speaker, and author of the best-selling book, The Solutions-Oriented Leader. I love executive coaching, and I love getting to meet ambitious leaders, hear about their dreams and their goals, and help them craft the best battle plan for achieving everything. What's more, I really believe in executive coaching. I've seen it yield amazing results and benefits for countless numbers of clients around the world. Indeed, many of the benefits of executive coaching are pretty well documented, but there are some that may surprise you. And that's what I'd like to talk to you about today. The 6 surprising benefits of executive coaching. Number 1, it creates self-awareness. When you work with an executive coach, you probably expect to develop a better sense of your own strengths and weaknesses. That much isn't really a surprise. With that said, I think a lot of executives and executives in training will be surprised by how much better acquainted they become with their own emotional life. For example, one thing you'll learn in executive coaching is what kinds of people and scenarios trigger you into stress or anger, and how to deal with those triggers effectively. Now that's pretty powerful. Number 2, empathy. When you have a more intimate understanding of your own emotional life, it allows you to empathize more acutely. You're not suddenly going to start agreeing with everyone around you, and there may be still people who rub you the wrong way. By better understanding where other people are coming from, you'll be in a better position to compromise, communicate, and work together. Number 3, developing greater cognitive ability. It's easy for any of us to fall into a rut and to approach our work from a narrow or rigid place. An executive coach can show you new ways of solving problems and innovating new ideas. An executive coach can open new parts of your brain you didn't even know you had and facilitate real improvements to your cognitive functioning. Number 4, motivation. What motivates you? The answer may not be as obvious as you think. We're all motivated by different things, and it's seldom as clean or as uncomplicated as making money or getting promoted. Understanding your motivation on a deeper level helps you to set smarter goals and to become more effective at self-motivation, which is an invaluable skill. Number 5, your social skill set. You may consider yourself to be a friendly, outgoing, or extroverted person, but frankly, that's not the same as having social skills. Tact, diplomacy, motivation, persuasion, and conflict management. These are all skills that you can master with the help of an executive coach, and they can really be beneficial to you as you lead your team. And by the way, if you're an introvert, your executive coach can show you how you can harness even those introverted qualities and use them to your advantage in the workplace. Number 6, pulling it all together. Everything I've talked about so far can be an asset to you as you lead your team, whether that's empathy or motivation or improved creative thinking. And yet, these ingredients on their own don't make up for real leadership. The key is knowing how to synthesize them, bring them together in such a way that makes you a truly inspiring and transformational figure. As an executive coach, I can see the big picture, which may be the biggest benefit to everything. As a keynote speaker, I meet C-suite executives and management teams when I'm delivering a keynote speech or leadership training session. At these conferences, I've received feedback from the executives, and they talk to me about their teams and their experience working with an executive coach. Many said they found themselves and their team's performance to be significantly improved when they were using a coach who kept them focused on their goals and objectives. When I'm hired to be a keynote speaker, I can entertain, motivate, and inspire an audience. However, the effects are very short-lived. There's a big difference and benefit to executive coaching and leadership training. This is where I can add value and make improvements in systems and communications, both personally and professionally, that can last a lifetime. So start to learn more about executive coaching and leadership training. It's a great benefit to your team. You can also get my Solutions-Oriented Leader book. It's available online. It's a one-of-a-kind comprehensive guide. It'll lead you through everyday challenges in the modern workplace and provide you with easy-to-implement solutions to achieve world-class results. And even with all that said, we've really only just scratched the surface of what makes executive coaching so rewarding. So to learn more, contact us at www.rickgoodman.com. Or you can write me directly at info@rickgoodman.com and find out how executive coaching can benefit you today. Till the next time, go out there and make it happen.